Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and then in this section right here, swipe down again, and this will reveal the screen recording toggle. From here you can just simply tap on it. First time around you will need to give it permission, so we're going to tap on go to settings and then permissions, and it looks like we need to give it permission to have access to microphone. Now for some reason HONOR is one of those brands where when you start recording it automatically has a microphone enabled. Crazy freaking idea. Instead of forcing me to give you permission to microphone, just don't record with microphone. Boom, problem solved. So we're gonna have to select this option. No other option will work, just want to point that out too, which is absolutely moronic. Anyway, from there we can close this and we can do this again, and now everything will just work. Now this isn't default, normally microphone is actually enabled. And when it's enabled, it's in blue. Anyway, from here, whatever you'll do will be recorded. I will obviously open up the only thing that won't be recorded. Oh, never mind, I don't have internet, so I'm not going to be showcasing this. But in any case, once you're done recording, you can click right here where the timer is. This will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos, Gallery application, whichever one we have right here. Let's see, we have it right here, Gallery. You can open it up, and in Gallery, you will find Videos album right here. And in this album, obviously you will find screen recordings as well as just normal videos that you might have captured with the device or downloaded, whatever it is. So this is the screen recording I have captured. Oh, there we go. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.